simplex true alert horn strobe, an older Ademco fire bell, and a super old, super rare Ademco smoke detector. This is a new LED generic emergency light that I just installed at the electrical company I worked for. I don't like these, they're horrible quality, but I guess it does the job. Here is a generic LED combo. These are pretty nice combos, and you can see it is not working. So that's what we will be fixing today. So let's undo the faceplate and take that off. Here's the inside. And the culprit for this not working is the backup battery, which you can see is not plugged in. So all we have to do is plug it in. There we go. Now, we can give it a test, and it works. So let's put on the faceplate. You can see this is an Emergilight branded sign. And I will reposition the emergency light heads. And there's the final result. The emergency light heads are adjusted to light up the space perfectly. So let's give it a final test. And it works great. Here's another combo with the same exact problem. So we'll go ahead and pop that off. Look inside, plug in the battery. This one you can see is has remote capacity or expanded runtime, but it's capped off. Oops. Put that back on. There's the inside again. Give it a test. All good. There's the label again. And now snap the face back on, and we will readjust the heads. Kind of dusty there. And here's the final product. The sign is now fully operational. Here's a newer Mueller Super Centurion fire hydrant. It's got a pretty cool color scheme and also has a Storrs pumper cap, which pretty much allows for a quick connection for the fire department if they use that nozzle. This one was manufactured in 2021. We look back there, and it's also got this little inspection sticker on it, so it's routinely checked up on. So pretty neat. Nice little find. Here's a Surelight's CX7 brushed aluminum exit sign in green. Looks really nice. This one is AC only because this hotel is on a generator. And it points to another one above the exit stairs. Gamewell FCI MS7 pull station, I think. I was about to say I didn't see it polling, but it's very slow. Is it polling? Okay, yeah, it is, just slow. System sensor, spectral alert advance, orange strobe and white, fire sprinkler, and then system sensor carbon monoxide alarm. And then we have a fire extinguisher cabinet with a Badger Advantage 10-pound extinguisher. So pretty neat setup. There's also a system sensor remote indicator light for a duct detector that's probably somewhere up here or in one of these compartments. So here's a Hager door closer, regular arm. It's very loud. System sensor duct detector indicator light. Gamewell FCI addressable photoelectric smoke detector, system sensor spectral alert advanced horn strobe set on 15 candela, fire sprinkler. I don't know why there's a horn strobe in this very small room. It's kind of overkill if you ask me, but anyway. Another Gamewell FCI smoke detector, ceiling mount, system sensor, spectral alert advanced strobe, and a sprinkler. Here's a generic door closer mounted on regular arm. Demonstrate that. It's closing very fast, but still can't shut the door. It's a pendant fire sprinkler. And we have a system sensor spectral alert advance horn strobe set on 177 candela, which is very bright, but this is a hotel room, so that makes sense. I don't know if this is the standard model or high output candela model. Can't remember if the normal spectral alert advances can go this high, but there's that. There's another sprinkler sidewall, the little sign. And then we have a newer first alert smoke alarm. Looks like it replaced something recently. And this is not a handicapped room, so I don't know why there's a horn strobe. Normally it's like a mini horn. I don't think there's anything in the bathroom. I think it's just a sprinkler. Yeah, it's rusted, but no strobe anywhere. There is this cool GFCI with a night light. It's made by Leviton, so it's pretty cool, but that's about it in here.